Well, actually, it's not really a lightning talk. It's a lightning joke, you see. Um, Discovery protocol for cable management is a long-standing topic, I would say. And the industry came up with the LLDP. It's a very famous protocol. It's layer 2 network, network neighbor discovery protocol. And basically, it allows you to learn about how your network is connected, how the devices are plugged to each other. And if you look at the timeline, it's quite compelling. It started in 1994 with the CDP protocol from Cisco. And then you had the usual industry bullshit, where you have NIH syndrome everywhere, and you get every single version of the same thing, but homemade. And it works a bit, to the point where it's unmaintainable by anyone. And then a standard rise, and that's actually the good move. It was also led by Cisco. So I love standards because of that. I'm being harsh in my words, and I know that, but at some point, everyone needs to understand that. Adding yet another standard doesn't make the industry better. It's something that everyone has to understand. And if you look at the timeline, it started in 1994, and since roughly 2006, it didn't change much. So basically, maturity happened in 12 years. If you look at an LLDP frame, I just took one from my home switch, so it's basically everywhere. All the red boxes are the relevant parts, and it allows to do a lot of cool things. You get topology mapping, which is, to me, one of the biggest thing here. You can automate all this, like pull every information you get from that and insert it in your DCIM software. It reduces human error. I'm a goofy person. I don't have a good memory, and I mistype a lot, so automation is the only way forward for me. And I think for every at-scale infrastructure. And when you troubleshoot, it gives you a lot of useful information without configuring anything. And what if? What if we were doing the same thing for power supplies, PDUs, so you can debug actually a bad firmware behavior, that kind of stuff. And it came as a joke at first. We were just like, what if? And my expectations were roughly those. So we talk about it today. Then the usual mess happens. And then in roughly 10 years, we're going to have something that looks like a standard, a proper standard, and with a few addendums later on. And actually, I did my research because I love RFCs, drafts, standards in general. So I shook internet hard. And I found a single PDF from 2010 from HP talking about exactly what I always wanted. And I'd like to know who in the room knows about that. 2 hands, 3 hands. And it's been in HP. Yeah, are you from HP? Yeah, okay. So I was expecting 0 answer. Yeah, I've been asking for that for like decades, literally. And the thing is, it's been there. It's in the PSUs as of today, in HP PSUs. And no one knows about it. And the worst is, I think it works using LLDP-like protocol, if not LLDP itself, over PLC. And actually, because the failure detection system from PSUs is already talking to the BMC, so the channel is already there. You just have to push a bit more information there and add a component on the PSU to encode that information through the current. And actually, my wish, my wish today is to get back this great idea from 2010, make it something that we discuss all together about, and you offer that feature as an industry for once. And in a few years, we get a new standard around that. What do you think about that? Thank you. That's it.